It's time to talk straight on all subjects as this Raj Kundra pornography case gets bigger. A strange new defense is being presented. We are being told that Shilpa Shetty allegedly told the police Raj Kundra is saying that there is a huge difference between erotica and pornography. But tonight the question really is not about what is pornography and what is erotica. The real question is, were women exploited or not? Let's debate.
7 days after Raj Kundra was arrested, the investigation and revelations in the pornography racket case have gotten bigger, but the theories seem to have gotten more creative. Over the past week, the Mumbai police searched Raj Kundra and Shilpa Shetty's home. It questioned Shilpa Shetty, and now 4 employees of businessman Raj Kundra have allegedly turned witnesses. And now actor Sherlyn Chopra has been summoned by the property cell of the Mumbai police on Tuesday, asking for her to appear at 11 a.m. to record her statement in the case. And between it all, sources suggest that Shilpa Shetty said that she wasn't aware of the exact content of Hot Shots app. She also claimed that erotica is different from porn, and her husband Raj Kundra wasn't involved in producing porn content. As the A-listers continue to bury themselves in silence on the biggest scandal, and those in focus seem to be spinning one theory after another, the real question remains tonight. Were innocent young women harassed and exploited? And should it be so? Is a erotica versus porn debate one that will be allowed to go on? Who's trying to hoodwink whom in this debate?
Some small-time artists were lured into giving break in some web series or some short stories. They were asked to, they were called for auditions and were asked to give some bold scenes, which later on translated into semi-nudity and complete nude scenes also, which was against their wishes. Now, during investigation, we found that Umesh Kamath is looking after the India operations of Mr. Raj Kundra. Now, this Vian company of Raj Kundra had a tie-up with Kendrin company, which is based in London, and Kendrin owns this Hotshot app. This Hotshots app was publishing all this nude content, and operations of this Hotshots app, including the accounting part and the piracy part, was carried out through the office of Vian company in Mumbai.
Tonight, it is not about the content created, but about the silence of Bollywood, gender justice and safety of women. It always has been about that. It will be till justice is delivered. Let's debate.
Was there exploitation or not? As far as I'm concerned, Brinda Adige is the only issue. What do you think? Brinda Adige and Barkha Trayan opening the debate tonight. Mamta, Swapnil, Rahul and Eshika, thanks for joining. For me, the only issue is, were women exploited or not? What do you think, Brinda?
They were exploited, they were lured, they were asked to come for auditions and then said, give bold scenes or bold shots. Only then you would get into your web series. So that means that they were lured. Madam, will you let me speak and then you can go ahead? Don't tell, were they lured? Of course, yes. You asked them to come for an audition and you asked them to...
Don't get it, madam, don't get irritated. Please continue.
They came for auditions. You asked them to pose nude. Tell them that they will go into these bold shots because they are called bold. Now you say that, they are not porn, but they are erotic shots. At the end of the day, it is sexual arousal that you are claiming to put. And then you say that these people came voluntarily. So did your films go through the censor board? And if they did go through the censor board, then they are no longer porn. So you decide about it. They were exploited.
First of all, I'm not here.
The only issue is, were women exploited?
Secondly, my only point is, my point here is, let me make my points first. My point is, there should be a fair investigation. There should be a fair investigation, and these girls who came up, they had already seen the contract. Everything was emailed to them. The money was settled. Where were these girls then? They are not 2-year kids that they'll be lured. They knew everything. And they're ready to do everything. And this content is all over social media. It is not only there. They have posted all their nude videos on Instagram as well as other social sites. So what's the problem here? If you're ready to post it at one place, if you're ready to post a bathroom shot at every place, then why not here?
Question being, Mamta is on, Swapnil. No, if that is the case, why was there an attempt to destroy evidence by Raj Kundra's accountant just the day he was arrested? And why did these quote-unquote videos have to be retrieved? Why have so many people come forward and said that they have been lured by Shilpa Shetty's husband for this particular Hotshots app? You don't know the background of what happened there. You don't know. This is not an industry. Is this the industry you want to defend, Mamta Kale? Question, I bring this down to this. Was there exploitation or not?
What are we doing for them? There are lakhs.
Was there exploitation or not? Were women forced into a genre of content without their consent? Were they subjected to sexual exploitation?
For money, fame, popularity.
What do you mean might be? Mamta Kale.
Money, fame, popularity.
Let me get Mamta in.
Why be moral police?
Rahul Ishwaran, Mamta Kale.
Popularity, money.
Thank you, Mr. Goswami. Thank you, Mr. Goswami.
Mamta.
Ms. Barkha, allow me to speak. My name is Mamta. Can I speak now, Ms. Barkha? Thank you so much. Good evening, Mr. Goswami, and thank you very much. First of all, I want to make one thing very clear to all the people who have been defending Raj Kundra by saying that the content produced by Raj and his company is not porn but erotica. No, it is not. It is pure porn. It is not even semi-porn, Mr. Goswami. And women were exploited. They were asked to give nude audition. Raj used to sit in those meetings. Umesh Kamath, on behalf of Raj Kundra, used to ask these girls that give nude audition, you will be paid very well, and many of them have refused, and these are the women who have come out and went to the cyber cell of Mumbai and complained against Raj Kundra. Now it is, it is a brutal and harsh truth of who's who of these Bollywood, Mr. Goswami, who in the name of creative freedom stroke erotica have been making these nude, semi-nude porn films, and then, completely dodging the law of the land, as well as, taking our culture for a ride. And then Barkha Trehan comes on
they
your
want
show
this to pass
and says
over.
that these women were, they were paid very well. I mean, I can't believe this. A woman coming and saying that they were paid.
Just one submission. Why play moral police after taking money to do erotic content?
Who's playing moral police?
Why play moral police? They have taken money to do erotic content.
No, who's playing? No, 1 minute. Can I ask you a counter? Can I ask you a counter?
Exactly my point. They have taken money. And they
can I ask a counter to that 1 minute? Barkha, don't Swapnil, my counter. Rahul, 1 minute. Rahul, my counter. Aren't those people who are silent today the same ones who are happily looking the other way? Aspiring artists are being sexually exploited. You are saying, if they want to be sexually exploited, what's the problem?
Arnabji, there are shades of grey in between porn and erotica. Let's be realistic.
I don't understand.
There are shades of grey, not only in India. Worldwide,
there are no shades of grey when this comes to exploitation.
In between
I want Swapnil to respond. Swapnil is on the debate. There are no shades of grey when it comes to exploitation.
Can I say something?
The issue is exploitation. The issue is exploitation. There are no shades of grey when it comes to exploitation. Swapnil is on the debate right now. Swapnil and Ashita.
Yes. Arnab, it is very clear that if one looks at the agreements, the contracts that were entered into with these people, some of the clauses are extremely onerous, where it says that if you leave the shooting halfway, you'll be fined 10 lakhs of rupees. Now, if you're going to do that, then obviously you'll end up paying rather than getting paid. So this clearly shows that these were women from very, very inferior sections of society or weaker sections of society who were clearly being exploited, and nothing but sexual harassment of women at workplace act is attracted here. And let's face it, this man is not some sort of a Renaissance painter or a great artist who was, enamored by the female anatomy and who was trying to carve out masterpieces. He was definitely in there for some sort of a business from what it appears, from what has come through. And he was a very slight sort of a difference between smut.
Ashika is on the debate. Ashika.
Clear smut.
I have 30 seconds, Ashika.
Exploitation at its best.
See, I haven't seen, I don't know exactly what had happened. So we are all looking for exactly what had happened. If it is like that, it is a case of exploitation. If women are lied, which happen in industry, if they are forced to it, then it is really a punishable offense. And if it is not, then not.
No, this is
exploitation, because like Swapan says, there was the clause that if you leave midway, you would have to pay that money. And these are people who have come for a job. Now, they cannot be paying 10 lakh of rupees if they want to leave in between. So they are placed in compromised situations, and that is exploitation, because you have nowhere else to go. Who are you going to report to?
If that is written,
anyway, we
somewhere I hate to. There is a.
The cybercrime. This just shows how they are willing to degrade women in the name of job and audition.
you have seen it.
Very simple.
Well,
How do you get exploited? You say no to it. Say no to it. Why don't you refuse?
1 second.
Why don't you refuse?
Once again, to even say, Barkha, one second, if your argument is that if somebody is being willingly exploited, your argument essentially is that they could be willingly exploited.
It is not willingly
I am asking you, were they exploited? I am asking you, were they exploited?
Yes.
It is I'm asking you, were they exploited? So you have to answer that question first. Viewers, this entire episode of the Raj Kundra porn gate
if you're getting money,
has once again put the focus back on the absolute, the code of silence in Bollywood, which has refused to say a single word on it. Single word on it. Food for thought. We'll track this. This story is developing tomorrow as well. Following every big story, political and otherwise, it's a pleasure bringing the news to you. And it's great to be back in the studios. I'll see you tomorrow from the studios. Good night and goodbye.